Okay, class. Today in technology, we will be focusing on information technology. So, technology as a tool is our activity for today. And we will be using technology tools and skills to reinforce classroom concepts and activities. Our objective today will be using a variety of technology tools to organize data and information. Our activity for today, you guys will be doing a web quest. So you guys will be going on the internet and you're going to find 10 fun facts about North Carolina. And once you guys have all of your facts, you will be making you will be creating a diagram with the information found. And as an example, uh, I did the ocean. So in the middle, I have my topic, which is ocean fun facts. So you guys can get creative with this. You can do fun facts about North Carolina, and North Carolina facts. Whatever you want your middle page to be, as long as it has what your topic is. And in this case, it's ocean. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 facts about the ocean, but you guys will be doing 10 facts about North Carolina. So I just did 7, but you guys will be doing 10. And I have 7 different things about the ocean that relates to the ocean. So that's what you guys will be doing. So like I say, you guys will be going to Google, doing a Google search and just typing in facts about North Carolina. And some examples that it has the University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill. It's the oldest state university in the United States. You have something that was back in 1903. If you want to add something like that, I would rather them be a little more up to date, like things like who our president is or who our president will be, because we just had the election and different things like that. Maybe the capital of North Carolina. If you want to talk about some of like the state symbols, that's fine, but don't make all 10 facts about the state symbols. Like the state bird is this, the state tree is this. You can incorporate some of those or have some of those things, but don't let all 10 facts be just state this, state bird, state insect, state this. I want more facts about it. Like I say, you can include this one or something like that. There's plenty more, so you guys will just stroll through the internet and find, 10 facts that are interesting to you about North Carolina. Once you have your facts, you're going to go to your document, your blank document, and you're going to be making like a flow chart. If you would like to do a table is fine. I think doing the flow chart is a little bit more creative. I think the flow chart is a little bit more creative, but if you want to do a table, that's fine. You can put a star here. You can make the star like your main thing to put your facts in, and maybe do like circles on the outside, or you can do all stars. You guys can just, be as creative as you can with this. You have your add a text box, so you can click on where it says text and add your text box to it, so that your text will appear inside the shape. And then type in North Carolina. North Carolina facts. And then they have you to branch out and just kind of move that around. And then you have your other shape that comes out of it, and move that there. And it may take a few minutes for it to really work, but if you see that it's not, you can always do an edit undo to kind of get you back where you need to be. Okay, so that's there. We'll move our North Carolina back. Okay, and then do your insert another shape. So choose the diamond this time, and you should be able. Here we go, and you just move it like that. And then you add your text to that one, and it'll just branch out. So by the time that you are finished, you will be done. If you decide that you want to like change the color, you can make your main slot, your main shape in the middle that has your topic in it one color, and then you can have your facts a different color. You want to make sure that whatever your facts are, that you don't have like too many words for that particular one, because your shapes aren't going to be as big. But the purpose of the assignment is just have a fun way of making a diagram showing different facts about North Carolina, or whatever it is that it may be. But in this case, we're doing North Carolina. And just to, have a flow chart. So if somebody wants to know some facts about North Carolina, this is the easier way for them to be able to look at what you have created and follow what it is that you have. If you want to make each one a different color as far as the facts go, I would rather you keep them all around the same color instead of changing it. I don't really recommend like having a whole bunch of different colors, because you don't want it to be like, when somebody looks at it and it's too much going on. So it's best, just to keep it one way. That's why I said, if you have a different shape in the middle, you want to make sure that whatever shape you choose for your facts is the same consistently. You don't want several different shapes going on around it, because it takes away from the information, and people start, they will start focusing on other things besides, what it is that they're actually looking at. So you guys should be able to do that. I'll insert another one just to kind of show you. So we take this one and let's see, we'll move it over here. And to make it connect a little bit, you just move it like this, like take the arrow and just do this. You can push it down to make it smaller, make it go that way, like that. And then you can always highlight that shape, and you can do edit copy. It might be an easier way to do it instead of trying to. This will ensure that that each shape that's going to be around is going to be the same exact size. So there's that shape, and that way all of your shapes are the same. So by the time that you finish, depending on what shapes you decide to use, this should be what your end result is. Now, I didn't do several different shapes, and I didn't change the color. I kept it the same. But you guys have the option to have this one color and have this one another color. But I would recommend whatever you choose to have, whatever color you choose for the facts, that each fact shape has the same color. And if you want to make it like this where everything is the same color, that is fine as well. So we're going to get started, and we'll see how it goes. And I hope that everybody understands the assignment and is able to do it.